Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. And this update's for Wednesday, the 10th of May, 2023, and the time about 8:27 a.m. Central Time. So we did get the all-important CPI data. So let's go to that first before we do anything. We'll hear the headline number, up 0.4. That's right what they expected. We're looking at these markets sitting, as you can see in the numbers, not much changes one way or the other. Energy did go back up 0.6. The prior was down 3.5. The headline number is coming in at 4.9%. It fell from the 5% level. However, the sticky number, the number I really look at, stayed right where it was year over year at 5.5%, right with what's expected. So while the markets are getting a bounce off this, I think it's misplaced. I don't think this takes the Fed anywhere. The Fed has told you that their preferred gauge is the core inflation, not headline, which gets all the noise of the food and everything moving back and forth in it. Yes, shelter costs came down a little bit, but it's not enough to move the core numbers. And to me, that is what's important. We're going to get the EIA stockpiles on energy. We saw an API build that shocked the market. It was not what the market was looking for. And in the mortgage market headline numbers, in all categories, you saw a bit of a jump there. So what does that do for the marketplace? All right. So we're getting a nice rally. Again, the naysayers are going to do just what they've been doing. They're going to say, we cracked 5%. We're on our way to that 3% number. The Fed has to back off. Guys like me will say, not so fast. Get the core coming down, yes. But without that, there's going to be big fights. As we look at the grain markets, they're under some selling pressure. You had a nice bounce to the upside in the bonds and the notes, but as the market rethinks what's going on, I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the day you give some of that up. The dollar's down a little bit. Now, gold jumped about $13, $14 on that first report, and it's since given that part up. I'm watching the yen here. I think that the market got too advanced here at the 74.92 level. I'm actually looking for that market to also start petering out on this type of news. But we're going to be telling you why and writing about this throughout the day now. It's an important event. We've got to cover it. And where we do this is in our Linn research. We cover all the sectors of the futures markets. And it's important for you spider ETF people, because as we cover all this, what do you think they trade off of? That's exactly it. You can either view it in our charting software, or we can send it to you by email. We cover the energies. We're going to cover the financials in all details, bonds, S&Ps, currencies, the grain markets at this time of the year, super important, and their impact on meat prices, because that's what they eat, the soft commodities, cocoa, coffee, sugar, and of course, special reports galore with our daily technical analysis on the spreads, the options, the futures, and the cash markets. You put it together, and we think we give you some of the best research out there on the futures markets. How do you get it? You go to our website at iraepstein.com under free offers, and our other free offers are there as well. You can move your cursor to the top up here. You'll see an icon appear. It says free offers. Give that a click as well. In the meantime, I'm Ira Epstein. I want to get back to the trades. I'm probably going to issue some special updates this morning. You have a good day.